if you have a clogged shower drain and it's like this, it's a linear shower drain, all you have to do is lift the drain itself, and there is a cleaner at the bottom of it, rather a hair catcher. And so what I'm gonna show you guys in this case, I'm gonna just grab a metal business card, and you could do this with an Allen key, you could do this with a screwdriver, you could do this with almost anything that will give you enough force to lift it up. So I'm just gonna tuck that in here. I'm gonna lift it up just so it lifts the drain. Okay, I got the drain up. And you can see in here we have the hair catcher. So once I pull this out, there we go, the water's gonna start going down. You can see, there we go, it cleared out. And all you wanna do is you wanna clear this little catcher out, and that will then let your water go through. So it's like a little cheese grater situation that's just filled with hair because my wife shaved. And so I do this about once a week. Now, if you wanna stop doing this, you can do the next step up, which is what I'm about to do. And that is you get yourself one of these. This is a roll of double sticky, basically window screen. And this goes right over that. I just gotta wait for the shower to dry before I apply this tomorrow. Basically just roll it out, you cut it, you take off the adhesive and you stick it down over this right here. And so that way all the hair catches on this. And after anyone shaves in the shower, you just rip this right up, throw it away, then cut another piece and tape it down. And that is how you clear your shower when it's clogged and you have a linear drain.